My name is Alami. I'm working here as teacher or professor for German language and culture at the Hainan College of Foreign Studies. Oh, the sceneries and the places I visited and I liked in Hainan, I must say Haikou for sure, and Sanya. Why Haikou? Because they have really some very nice landmarks. Chilo Old Street, for example, it's a wonderful street. This street housed a lot of post offices in the past, banks, and then Sanya, it's really a very nice place also. You have some very famous landmarks like Nanshan Temple or Kenya, Haijiao, and some wonderful beaches in Yalong Bay. I must say the infrastructure, it's really well developed to international standards. And you have a lot of modern train stations, bridges, wonderful marinas, for example, in Sanya. And you have a lot of luxuries, hotels and resorts. But affordable accommodations are also available. It depends only on your budget. Old DDT and wonderful tradition. I think it means be relaxed, take time. And this, it's really the philosophy of Hainanese, and the meaning of life here in Hainan lies in good relationship with each other and living in community. I am confident that Hainan will be for sure a very famous tour in the world.